Today on the Benz SUV channel, we'll be replacing the license plate bracket. Okay, so this is the original bracket that came with my ES330. It had these metal clips on the back that just rusted, and then the screw was rusted through it, and I had to cut the screws off. As you can see, it's wider than a standard license plate and standard license plate cover. So the license plate was protruding and the cover was also protruding. And the reason why I was changing my license plate is because it was rusted and bent out of shape, and it's been there for a very, very long time. So with this new cruiser license plate bracket, it fits over the chrome nicely, and you can get it at any auto parts store, including Amazon, and it's the right size for North American license plates, and it comes with fasteners, although I won't be using these screws that it comes with because unfortunately these screws are longer. These are 3/4 of an inch, so even with any license plate cover, they stick out and then they protrude out to the back. So they're too long. So I wanted to use 1/2-inch ones. So these are 1/2-inch stainless steel bolts that I got from Home Depot. They are 1/2-inch long and 1/4 inch diameter, which fits nicely into the screw holes. As you can see, they're a little bit shorter than the ones that came with the bracket. So I didn't use the bolts that came with the bracket. These bolts came with my original license plate, so I am reusing it. The only thing is that the mounting of it is a little bit higher on the bumper. The old one, the bracket was held at a lower distance, at a lower height, but the new one, because of the way these mounting holes are, it goes up a little bit higher. Now they also sell other brackets which are just half, and they may have a higher one. So depending on the height of your license plate where you want it, you may want to choose something different, but I'm okay with my license plate being higher as it takes up the bumper correctly. So right now I'm just making sure it's centered, and I am screwing in the 10mm bolts that came with my car originally, which is about 16 years old. So I've had these license plate on for about 16 years, and making sure that they're nice and snug against the bumper. And then you'd be able to put any kind of license plate cover over your license plate and then screw those in using the stainless steel screws that I got. So after doing all that, as you can see that the original bracket was wider, so it was sort of protruding and really not flush. And here I'm showing the original screws, which are longer than the stainless steel ones that I used, which are actually shorter, and they don't go and hit the bumper on the back. Thanks for watching.